Nike continues its tradition of celebrating seasonal moments, and after the Chinese New Year spotlight, Valentine's Day takes center stage. One of the highlights is the Jordan MVP 92 dressed in a romantic medium soft pink, vapor green, white, and half blue colorway. Inspired by the Air Jordan 7, the shoe features a mostly pink upper, complemented by soft pastel accents on the pull tabs, midsole, and key design details. What truly sets this release apart is the special presentation. Heart-shaped candy graphics appear on the insoles and tissue paper, adding a playful Valentine's theme. The shoebox itself comes in pink and includes a heart-shaped window on the lid, making it feel more like a gift than a standard release. A sticker gift note is also included, encouraging wearers to share messages of love or friendship. The Jordan MVP 92 Valentine's edition is expected to release in early February 2026 in kids and toddler sizes through official Jordan brand channels.